In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Savor theme demo for Shopify. If you're thinking about using the Savor theme for your online store, it's really important to see how it actually looks and behaves before you commit. I'll walk you through exactly how to find the theme in the Shopify Theme Store and then how to interact with the live demo so you can decide whether it's a good fit for your brand and products. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up your theme area where you can see your current theme and your theme library. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. On the lower left, you'll see a card that says Explore More Themes. On this card, you'll also see a button that says Visit Theme Store. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you out of your admin and into the official Shopify theme store in a new tab or window. Once you're inside the theme store, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Click on that icon to open the search box. In the search box, type Savor, then wait for the search results to appear. When you see the Savor theme in the results, click on it. This will open the main theme page where you can see a static preview of Savor along with its description and key features. To really understand the theme, you need to see the interactive demo. Look at the bottom right area of the preview and click the View Demo button. This will load a fully interactive demo store that's built with the Savor theme. From here, take your time exploring. Click on the cart icon to see how the cart drawer opens and how it presents items. Click on the customer profile icon to get a feel for the customer sign-in or account area. Click the search icon and notice how the search behaves, whether it's just a simple box or if it shows product suggestions as you type. Hover over the main menu items to see how the navigation opens. Pay attention to whether it uses a drawer, a mega menu, or simple drop-downs, and whether products or images appear in those mega menus. Click into a product to see the product page layout, including details, images, and how recommended products are displayed below the main product information. Finally, scroll down to the footer section at the bottom of the page. Look at how the footer menu is organized, whether there is an email sign-up form, and how things like policies and copyright information are presented. All of this will give you a complete feel for how Savor might look and function on your own Shopify store.